What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Okazia Vlogs. Thank you for coming back. I hope that you will go ahead and in the bottom left hand corner hit subscribe. I have another unboxing for you. But before we get to it, I got a bone to pick with Neiman Marcus. Okay, so you all will come to find out that I love a deal, right? Like, I am somebody who is going to get it if it's 70 to 98% off, literally. And when you're shopping online on Neiman Marcus, the big thing is there's only one of those items left. And typically the website updates slower than people's orders. So it could take between 5 and 10 minutes for the order to even get processed. And last week I ordered a pair of Dior sunglasses and also a Loewe wallet. The Dior sunglasses I think were like $112, like 80% off. And then the Loewe wallet was $66, down from like $350. So I was like, I have scored the jackpot. Anyway, come to find out, a couple days later, I think it was like a Sunday, I get an email, sorry, there's an update for your order, and I already know it's canceled. So I'm frustrated. So I'm just like peeking on the website, wasn't really looking for anything in particular, and I come across this bag that I ordered, right? So the bag retails for $990. You guys know I didn't pay that. It came down to $229 before taxes. And so whenever Neiman cancels your order because they're out of stock and your order is actually processed, they will send you a 15% off coupon. And typically that coupon is very restricted in how you could use it. I mean, in the past I've tried to use it on sale and it really hasn't gone through. And so I was very fortunate this time that it actually processed, and so that brought it down to $206, and I think I paid $226 total after taxes, and of course it was free shipping. I think it took like maybe 2 or 3 days for it to get to me. So let's go ahead and unbox it. I will say that I haven't seen much content online for this specific like colorway for this bag. I have seen versions of the bag on TikTok as well as YouTube. So here we go. Got some paper here, and okay. Perfect. I'll sit that there. And also, shout out to Neiman Marcus Dallas, because I swear every time my order is being sourced from the Dallas, Texas store, it's always packaged perfectly, it's always shipped very quickly, and I'm always happy with the presentation. And it will tell you, you know, on the app where the product is being sourced from. And so, alright, let's open it up. It is a MCM tote. It's the Munchen tote from MCM. And this is in the size large. Okay. I told you. I don't know if that's the... Oh, wow. This is beautiful. I think this is the perfect size for me. And again, like, I wasn't particularly looking for a tote. I think this would be a great work bag. My Saint Laurent Reed Ghost tote is too large. Like, it's great for traveling, but a day-to-day type bag, I'm not going to be carrying that day-to-day. And so this is, I believe it's either jacquard or canvas. There is embroidered stitching here. You can see that is beautiful. And again, it retail for, let's see, I don't know if you can see that, $9.90. Here is the detailing. There is leather. And one thing that I really enjoy is that there are feet on the bag. And so I definitely could see this as a daily use bag. Another thing that I really appreciated is that it comes with a pocket insert. And so, let's see, here we are. And this is, you know, just a little flap. You can, I don't know exactly what I would keep in there, but, you know, it's cute. It's in addition to the bag. And it has a little cord on there. And of course, I saw one reviewer, she did not get the dust bag that each of the MCM totes come with, and you know, it's a large because it's a large bag. But yeah. Alright guys. So, and also it comes with a shoulder strap. Here, the shoulder strap is not adjustable. So I think for me, it's probably not likely that I'm going to be able to wear this crossbody. Yeah, it's not adjustable, but there is a strap. I think honestly though, I would be fine like carrying, I've seen people carrying it like this, which is very comfortable. Like I probably wouldn't even need, I can't put my arm through it. So, but I could carry it like this and that would be comfortable. It does have, let's see, it has one zip pocket, which contains the MCM information. It has also two like inside pockets, and it doesn't have a zipper, but there is an internal clasp to lock the bag. So not the greatest amount of security, but also not bad at all. So yeah guys, this is the unboxing. Let me see. I'm going to take the paper off the handles after I get ready to use it. I actually really like this. Again, like I said, it's a pretty good size. So, MCM Munchen tote. And I guess we'll take it. Alright, so guys, let me know, do you all have any totes or bags from MCM? Are you familiar with the brand? Have you scored a good deal recently? Put it below in the comments. And of course, this is Ocasio Vlogs. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and share this video. Pumping out the content. And this is the first video that I'll be putting out. There are going to be some clips from another video, but the first full video that I'm shooting on my new camera. So let me know what you guys think about the setup and the sound. I'm planning on picking up a mic, and yeah guys, I'm happy and I'm back on the journey. So until the next one, bye.